Previously, we learned 是. 是 has several meanings. Today, we will learn two useful idioms related to 是. They have the opposite meaning, but they are composed of the same words. Let's begin. The first idiom is 事倍功半. 事倍功半 means get half results or achievements with double efforts. The second idiom is 事半功倍. 事半功倍 It means get double achievements or results with just half efforts. You can see that those two idioms has completely opposite meanings, but they are composed of the same words. Just change the order of the words and then we get a completely different meaning. Let's look at the words one by one so that you can have a better understanding of those two idioms. 事 here means effort or work. here 倍 means double or times, 2 times. 功 means achievements, results. 半 means half. We learned 半 in our video before. If you are interested in it, you can check our previous videos. This is also a very useful word. So now, we can see that the first idiom, 事倍功半, it describes a situation in which one expends a lot of effort, but does not receive enough results. On the other hand, the second idiom, 事半功倍, describes a complete opposite situation. Just by paying half efforts and get a lot of results. So the point here is we should try to find the right way to do things so that we can 事半功倍, but not 事倍功半. Okay, please repeat those two idioms. The first idiom, 事倍功半. 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 The second idiom, 事半功倍. 事半功倍. 事半功倍.